Makiria ma Uiversity 20 cia muingi na andu kiumbe guku bururi-ini ni cigomanite Uiversity-ini ya JKUAT mwena wa Juja kugeria kwenjera kihonia gia thina wa wagi wa mawira bururi-ini uria uthiite na mbere na guthinekania miture ya mamirioni ma MBEU NJITHI aria marikitie guthomera kothi itiganite. Ataramu eru makiuga MBEU NJITHI no mahotire kuma irima-ini ria mahimbiria technology amwe no niyo njira iria thi yerekeire.
The main reason why we are doing this hackathon is first to keep these young people busy. Because they are talented, they have the energy, they don't know where to take it. So if you involve them in a positive way through innovation, they are busy day and night, and through that they sharpen their skills. These people have a lot of time and energy. So if you don't involve them positively, then they find themselves idle, and that's how they slowly drift into the vices like drug abuse and alcohol.
Mashindano maya ma gwetha anja ya thina wa wagi wa mieke ya mawira marongoreirie sekta ta biacara, githomo, urimi, ugima wa mwiri uramati na utongoria.
We've got the capacity, we've got the ability for us to be able to expand the developments that have been done today. So we are hoping to look thoroughly and in depth to see which innovations that have been developed that we can take, and then we go together in the market with those respective students and see how we can incubate them and also see how we can monetize those inventions so that they can benefit both the students and the university itself.
Kuringana na Profesa Anthony Waitito kuma JKUAT, ni mashindano marahe arutwo mweke wa kuingirana na aramati ya thoko ya mawira, akiongerea kuga ni mamanoraga na kumeherania na maundu matangimateithia.
We want to move the ideas with these students from the classroom to the industry, and that's why we are bringing the industry here with us so they can see what the students are doing, and we are happy that we are working with the industry. So our vision is that we work with the industry. We'll also mentor these young people as early as possible so that by the time they're exiting, they are good for the market, because we are also working with the industry.
Ukiri ugo thirikari na ndekani kiumbe makiuria kwandika MBEU NJITHI aria mekoranire hari uthunduri na technology amu mari na utu wa gutwara makambuni ngathi-ini njeru.
Actually, I'm putting up a call out there to all the students in Kenya and outside Kenya to know that the skills they are learning in class, they can advance them, they can innovate around those skills they have learned in class to create jobs for themselves and for others. Let them not just be theoretical. Let them know that the skills they are learning in class, they are supposed to actualize them and come up with solutions that are solving real world problems, and in the process also create jobs for them and for other people.
Arutwo aria maranyitire itemi kigomano-ini giki makihoya kuhurwo njeki ni thirikari na igithi angi niguo mahote gwetha anja ya mathina maria magumiire bururi.
We have had a great experience here of the Innovation Week, where all students came with their innovation and ideas to be able to try and solve a problem that is currently faced in the world. So the students have been able to interact with industry experts, gaining insights, which has enabled us to actually soften and polish our skills and ideas so that we can generate more ideas and also move our ideas to the next level.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Mathio Ndung'u wa Mbugua.